Hello, Hannah here from MyStem Kits, and I'm going to talk to you today about our Touch Numbers Kit. This early childhood education kit is really useful for helping your students understand counting, cardinality, and just getting a handle on the basic number system. What it is especially good at is helping students understand the one-to-one correspondence between a numeral and how many it represents. So with each of these tiles that we provided in our kit, we have the number as well as the corresponding number of circles on each of these tiles that relates to that number. So for instance, we have 4 circles on the 4, 3 on the 3, and so forth. Now we've arranged these in such a way that they help reinforce the shape of the number itself and even reinforce basic addition and multiplication concepts so that the student can progress into those areas even easier. For instance, if we look at the 8 here, it is made up of 4 dots and 4 rings, but a total of 8 circles. So it's breaking it into 2 sets of 4. It's a really sort of simple, intuitive way that the students can start understanding some of the concepts of multiplication. However, the primary purpose of this is really just understanding the number system in single-digit intervals. So, one of the cool things you can do with this is actually do some simple addition with it. Now I'm going to borrow the positive and negative signs from our positive and negative integers kit and use these to do just some simple addition exercises. For instance, if you take 4 plus 5, the students can simply go in and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 9. Cool. Or even transition them from this really simple counting the number of things to then understanding the abstract concept of what 4 plus 5 is, where they might start with the higher number and then count from there. So in this case, they start with 5 and then just go 6, 7, 8, 9. By having this interactive tactile experience, it addresses multiple modalities so that the students can remember and experience the numbers in a more concrete way that will then transition them to better abstract understanding of the number system. However you're using this kit, whether it's to simply reinforce the numerals and how to write them, how to draw them, what they mean, or if you're even going farther and using it for addition and multiplication, it's going to really help increase fluency and automaticity when it comes to the number system, and I can't wait to see all the different ways you use it in your classroom. Thanks for listening.